Oh my gosh. It's happening. I am planning a group trip to Bali. It's going to be like an all-inclusive type thing. It's going to be in July of 2024. So let me share with you everything that I have planned out for this 7-day trip. Day 1, we are going to be staying at the Arma Museum and Resort. Here's another picture of it. Day 2 will be visits to a few temples. Let me show you some pictures. This is the Tirta Temple. Here's another picture of the entrance. This is the Gunawan Kawi Temple. And then at the end of the day, we're going to visit the Kanto Lampo waterfall. Day 3 in Bali, we're going to take a coffee brewing workshop. And then in the afternoon, we're going to visit the Sacred Monkey Forest. Day 4, we're going to have like a farming experience and cooking class, very cultural experience. Then at the end of day 4, we're going to switch resorts, probably staying at the Puri Santrian in Sanher. Day 5 is going to be really chill, and we're actually going to do a street evening tour with a guide, of course. Day 6, another super chill day. We're going to do a Balinese massage and a foot bath spa treatment. I am putting this trip together with Trovo Trip. They've done this exact itinerary a bunch of different times. Of course, everything is included in the price except for airline tickets. We will have a guide the entire time. Tickets to everything will be paid for. I'll be going to everything, so we'll be going on vacation together. I'm so excited. I've never been to Bali before. So if you're interested, go to the link in my bio or message me or email me, and let's put this together. The early bird price for this trip is going to be $17.45. Any questions? Put them in the comments. Let's go to Bali.